everyone. I'm live on Instagram and I've shared the link. मैंने Google Meet का लिंक शेयर किया है स्टोरी में. अगर यहाँ पे स्टोरी पे जाके क्लिक कर सकते हैं और उस पर क्लिक करके हमारी वर्कशॉप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अगर आप गूगल मीट पे नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ इंस्टाग्राम पे भी हमको देख सकते हैं. हम यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूसली लाइव रहने वाले हैं. और आज हम नेक्स्ट 2 चक्रास के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. कल हमने रूट चक्रा, मूलाधार चक्रा, सेक्रल चक्रा, स्वादिष्ठान चक्रा के बारे में बात की थी. आज हम सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्रा, मणिपुर चक्रा जिसको बोलते हैं, एंड हार्ट चक्रा, अनाहत चक्रा के बारे में बात करेंगे.
स्टार्ट करें और शी वेट फॉर 5 मिनट्स.
वी कैन डू द रिविजन फॉर यस्टरडे. जो हमने कल किया था उसका रिविजन थोड़ा कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक 2-3 मिनट के लिए.
ओके.
सो
कल हमने 2 चक्र.
बोलो कंटिन्यू.
2 चक्र. कल हमने 2 चक्रास किए थे, रूट चक्र और सेक्रल चक्र. रूट चक्र का कलर था रेड और सेक्रल चक्र का कलर था ऑरेंज. मुद्रा कौन सी थी? ध्यान मुद्रा एंड ज्ञान मुद्रा.
Yes, we started with the Dhyan Mudra and then we went to the second mudra, that is the Dhyan Mudra.
ध्यान मुद्रा.
So root chakra.
आज हम लोग करेंगे सोलर.
Okay. So basically root chakra works with the फाउंडेशन ऑफ आवर लाइफ. रूट चक्रा जो है उसका नाम मूलाधार होता है. वो हमारे लाइफ के फाउंडेशन पे काम करता है, हमारे फियर्स पे काम करता है. जितने ज्यादा फियर्स होते हैं लोगों के उतना ही ज्यादा वीक आपका रूट चक्रा होता है. तो अगर आपको अपने फियर्स भगाने हैं, अगर आपको लगता है आपको बहुत ज्यादा फियर्स हैं लाइफ में, डर बहुत ज्यादा है आपकी लाइफ में, तो उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आप रूट चक्रा पे काम कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको सर्वाइवल स्किल का इशू है, सर्वाइवल फियर है, उसके लिए भी आप अपने रूट चक्रा पे काम कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है या वर्थलेसनेस वाली फीलिंग है, इफ यू डोंट फील वर्थ ऑफ योर सेल्फ, ऑफ योर लाइफ, देन यू कैन अगेन मेक योर सेल्फ वर्थ बाय वर्किंग ऑन द रूट चक्रा. सेकेंड चक्रा जो है वो है सेक्रल चक्रा. सेक्रल चक्रा स्पेसिफिकली वर्क्स विद द रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ. It also works with the creativity and pleasures of life. If you have passions of if you have passion in life but you're not able to pursue it, अगर आपको पता है कि आपको कोई चीज बहुत पसंद है, आप बहुत पैशनेट है किसी चीज के बारे में, पर आप उस पर काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप सेक्रल चक्रा पे काम करके उसको स्ट्रांग बना सकते हैं. अपने पैशंस को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के कोई भी इश्यूज हैं, किडनी के कोई भी इश्यूज हैं, तो भी आप सेक्रल चक्रा पे काम करके उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. आज हम जो बात करेंगे सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्रा एंड हार्ट चक्रा. सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्रा उसको मणिपुर चक्रा भी बोलते हैं और वो हमारे पूरे चक्रा सिस्टम का सबसे बड़ा चक्रा है. और आगे की डिटेल्स पूरी अब आपको काजल देंगी.
सेक्रल चक्र का कलर होता है येलो. सॉरी, सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्र के बारे में बात करेंगे. और सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्र का कलर होता है येलो. आई थिंक विल हैव टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश.
Okay, yeah, we can continue with English, no issues.
We can continue. The color of solar plexus chakra is yellow. The mantra is Ram. R-A-M. Ram. And the mudra is Anjali mudra. You have to hold both your hands like this. Join both your hands like this. That's Anjali mudra.
This is Anjali mudra.
And solar. This is
yeah.
And location of solar plexus, it's below your chest. Solar plexus is the chakra is located below your chest.
Yes,
and
it's
solar
exactly
plexus
here.
Chakra, it
yes.
covers all the problems which are related from abdomen to heart. All the problems related, any problem related to digestion, kidney issues, we have gas issues, whatever, any problem between like heart and abdomen are covered in solar plexus chakra. Whatever you have, like you have ulcers, acidity, any problem related to digestion, everything can be solved. All the problems can be solved if your solar plexus chakra is aligned. Mitali, you can continue.
Perfect. So solar plexus chakra is the biggest one. It heals all your digestive issues. It could be gas, bloating, constipation, loose motions, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Gas and acidity are two issues which are very commonly found in people these days. So if you have issues with gas and acidity, you just have to work at least 2 times a day with your solar plexus chakra and you will be completely fine. Your acidity will go, your gas issues will completely go off. So how you are going to work with it? So we have our solar plexus chakra exactly here where our chest ends. We are going to put our hand in the Anjali Mudra here. Where you are touching the palm to your body, you will imagine yellow color there. Exactly in this area, you will imagine a yellow color. You can imagine a bright yellow sun. You can imagine yellow lemons. You can imagine yellow flowers. Anything of yellow color you can imagine here. You will close your eyes and the mantra that we are going to chant is Ram. R-A-M. Ram. So how you are going to chant? Yesterday also I said you will breathe in first and while breathing out you will chant. So it will be Ram. Okay. So first thing is just close your eyes, be in a relaxed position. If you are doing any work, don't do it. Okay. You can see it again. This will be uploaded on the Instagram. You can see the repeat whenever you are free and you are comfortably sitting. If you are doing any physical work right now, please do not do this. Okay. If you want to do it, find a nice place, sit there and then continue doing it. Okay. Please close your eyes. Put your hand in the Anjali Mudra on your solar plexus. Imagine yellow color. And on the count of 3, 2, 1, we'll start with the chanting. Ra. Ram. Very nice. Now, very slowly open your eyes comfortably. Just rub your hands together, rub your palms together very nicely, and give this amazing positive energy to your entire eyes, your face, your head, your hands, your entire body till the feet. Just give this amazing fresh energy to your entire body. So, if there are any digestive issues you have, start working on this chakra. Now, again, if we go on the emotions, this chakra also works with your self-esteem, self-confidence, leadership skills, your relationship with authorities of your life, and taking charge of your life. People who lack confidence, who lack leadership skills, who are scared of the stage, who can't stand on the stage, this chakra is brilliant for them. If you work with this chakra, you can boost your self-confidence, self-esteem. You can boost your, public speaking skills. You can release your fear of stage. If you want to lead a team, you can lead it very nicely. And if you have issues with your authorities of life, in authorities of life, we majorly have our parents, our elders, our bosses, anybody with, higher power or authority. So anybody like that, if you have conflicting relationship with these people, you can work on your solar plexus chakra and you can gain the confidence of this relationship and you can improve this relationship. You can work with only this chakra morning, noon and night, or just morning and the night. Just chant it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Don't count. Just set a timer and start chanting. Important parts are the location of the chakra, color of the chakra, mantra of the chakra, and the mudra of the chakra. These 4 things are very important and they must be done together for the biggest benefit. Okay? Anything you want to add, Kajal? You'll have to unmute yourself if you want to say something.
You have even if it is unbalanced, it can solve the problems of UTI as well. There are many women who face a problem of UTI. So if this chakra is balanced, your UTI problem can also be solved.
100%. Now we move on to the 4th chakra.
Yeah.
4th chakra is the heart chakra, Anahata. Now heart chakra is it's multidimensional. There are 2 purposes of the heart chakra. One is a personal purpose, one is a professional purpose. And because of this, it also is given 2 colors. It is given green color as per the chakra, but as per the emotions, it is also given pink color. So personally, it works on your love, on your relationships, on your commitment, on your passions for people or the relationships you have, or the love for the passion that you have. Second, it works on your business and on your profession. It works on your confidence that you have for your work. If you want success, if you want if you want to attract opportunities in your life, if you want to grow in your career, then also this chakra works brilliantly fine. One of the very important factors of this chakra is immunity system. It enhances your immunity system. If you work with this chakra, your immune system can strengthen and you can face less or no diseases at all. Because the immune system will become so strong that it will fight whatever comes in front of it. Any disease, any disorder it comes, it will have the power to fight against it. Okay. It also works with the middle back. So if you have middle back issues, then that means you have bottled up emotions, So love and emotions go hand in hand. If you are somebody who hesitates in expressing out the emotions, then you might suffer from the middle back pain issues. So it is very important to release out the bottled up emotions or thoughts that we don't say. We have that thought in our mind, we are thinking about it continuously, but we don't speak it. We think that we might lose the relationship, we might we might become a negative person in front of other people. We think about others as what will they think of me, and then we stop ourselves from expressing ourselves. So all these issues bottle up in the middle back and they create the pain there. So if you want to get rid of all these things, we have to nicely work on our heart chakra. If you are struggling with your relationships, if you are struggling with loving yourself, the first thing, self-love, self-care. If you are struggling to love yourself, this is very important. If you are struggling in receiving love from people or giving love to people, again this chakra is very important. If you have commitment issues, if you are scared of commitment to your personal life, to your professional life, and you are very much distracted, you have procrastination issues, then again the working on this chakra will enhance your focus, enhance your commitment to something in life. Now, where is this? The heart chakra is based exactly at the heart center. Okay, this is the heart center, this is where the heart chakra is. The color is, you imagine the color depending on which area you want to enhance. If you think you want to enhance your work life or your career life, you will imagine the green color. If you think from the perspective of money, success, opportunity, imagine the green color. If you want to work on your relationships, love or commitment, imagine the pink color. Okay. This is where we are going to put our focus on. The mudra is Vayu Mudra. How is it made? Take your palm, put your thumb towards and turn your index finger over the thumb. This is Gyan. This is Vayu Mudra. You can keep your finger inside also if you want, or you can just put it on the edge. Both are correct. Okay. Now, we have to do it with both the hands, because one hand, your right hand will go on your chest, on your heart, and one hand will go like this in your lap. Okay. Focus is here exactly in this center point. Imagine green color if you want to enhance your work life, career, money, opportunities. Imagine pink color if you want to improve your love life, your relationships, your commitment things. Okay, close your eyes. Very nicely, close your eyes. Imagine the color of your choice. Your hands are in Vayu Mudra. The mantra is Yam. Y-A-M. Yam. So we will breathe in and then we will chant. Breathe in and Yam. Remember, chant as much as you can. Okay, it is not necessary to chant as this long. You can chant it just yum also. So it's like yum. If you think you can't hold on to the breath, chant slow, like lesser length of it. Don't stretch it. Okay, be comfortable. You don't have to stretch your body. You don't have to make it feel uncomfortable. Okay, so let's start again. Very nice. Now again, slowly open your eyes. Rub your palms together nicely. And give this amazing, nice energy to your eyes, your face, your head, and your entire body. Super nice. So if you have any issues with your heart, with your love, with your relationships, with your immunity system, if you have a weak immune system, if you have issues with your heart, if you have issues with your blood, work with this chakra and you will be perfectly fine.
Even respiratory system, lungs.
Yes, even the lungs and respiratory system. Yes, yes. Yes, Kajal, please add if I missed something.
If you have anger, envy, grief, all those kind of feelings can also be solved if your heart chakra is balanced.
Oh, one very important thing.
Problems related to
one very important thing, if anybody is suffering from diabetes, if you are suffering from diabetes, your solar plexus plus your heart chakra plays a very, very, very important role. if you or anybody you know is suffering from diabetes, only working with the solar plexus chakra and the heart chakra, you can literally release out your diabetes. Trust me. Do it for 90 days straight, 3 months, 90 days of chanting, morning, noon and night, only chanting. You're not doing anything. You're just imagining the color, chanting and sitting in the mudra for 90 days for this chakra. Set your time for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whichever is comfortable for you, and just chant. You can get rid of your diabetes if you work with this. Even blood pressure. Especially the low blood pressure.
Or low pressure.
Yes, especially the low one. High and low, it will work with both, but especially if you have the low blood pressure, if you faint out very easily, if you black out easily, you will work well if you work on this chakra. And the emotions that just Kajal said, that if you have grief, envy, anger, revenge, nature, or hatred in your nature, your heart chakra will always be disbalanced and your relationships will always be disbalanced. You can never have happy, healthy relationships if you have envy, jealousy, anger, hatred or grief in your emotions, in your system. I think we are done for today. We have done the third and the fourth chakra. We have done the solar plexus chakra. We have done the heart chakra today. Tomorrow we'll be doing throat chakra and third eye chakra. So our talking expression, truth and our vision of life, our philosophies of life. We'll be working tomorrow on these two chakras. And next day we are going to work on our crown chakra and our grounding. Grounding is releasing yourself, of all the negative energies that you attract, of all the vulnerability that you have with energies and people. If you think you become very negative in front of people, if you feel drained out very easily, then we are going to teach you grounding techniques in order to keep strong with your energies and keep your aura intact, strong, and you are not disturbed with anybody's energy. It doesn't matter where you go, with how many people you be with, your energies will not be affected. And then on the last day, we are going to do the revision of all the 7 chakras plus grounding. And we are also going to teach you one breath meditation, single breath meditation for the entire chakra system. That we will teach on the last day, because you have to be aware of all the chakras. So stay tuned with us. If you have missed it, you can log on into your Instagram account, follow me or follow Kajal, and you can see the repeat there and you can practice it whenever you want. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to message me or message Kajal, and we would be happy to help you. Okay, yes Ivy, please tell me.
I would like to thank both of you, Kajal and Mitali, for this session. This was superb.
Thank you.
It is much more than what I expected. I have always been a fan of Mitali's way of speaking and explaining things in a very simple way. So, of course, it was expected, but the whole thing that you have curated, very nice, and I really got a lot of value. And definitely, I am looking forward to meet you guys again tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ivy.
You're giving so much of value for free, and I will definitely be sharing this information with my groups. And if somebody can join, then, and if you guys are repeating this workshop in the future, I will definitely be spreading the word.
100%.
Because this is so useful. So useful. Thank you so much, both of you. God bless.
And Ivy, the link is going to be the same for all the days, okay? This is the only link. It will follow through all the days. So you can forward it to anybody you want, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But, honestly, Mitali, your expectations of your session would definitely be good. I knew that, but I had a lot of learnings. And one question I had.
Yes.
Like you said, that 4 things have to go together. So can Shravan's meditations be done only while sitting, or can we do it lying down on the bed also?
You can do it lying down also. The only thing why we say by sitting is because we are more focused when we have our back straight.
Yeah, true.
So, if you're tired, you can definitely practice it while lying down in your bed, and you can sleep while you're practicing it. But, while you're sitting, you are much more aware about it. Your body and mind are much more aligned with it.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
So
Done.
preferably sitting.
Yes. So, we'll see you tomorrow again on the same time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.